Okay, here is a short walkthrough of problem 7, part B from the team review. Now, we have to figure out what this missing side x is, and we need to use that using our slope angle, and we know the one side, so I know what I can do here. I can do slope ratio set equal to the rise over the run, and I know that's going to help me find that missing side x. Now, 72, I believe, actually does have a decently nice slope ratio if you go back to your trig table, but I like to move past the trig table and always use tangent to solve these kind of problems. So to find my slope ratio, I can do the tangent of my angle, so tangent of 72, and I put that over 1. So my slope ratio is tangent of the angle over 1, setting that equal to the rise over the run. Well, this problem's a little tricky. It's hard to tell what the rise is, what the run is. Well, the rise is always across from your angle. And x is across from my angle in this problem, and so my rise is x, and my run is 19. Since I have fraction set equal to fraction, I can cross multiply. 1 times x gives me x, and the tangent of 72 times 19, I can put that in my calculator. Tangent of 72 times 19, and I got 58.48 when I round it. 58.48 is my x value there. Okay. If this doesn't really look like what you did in part A, it should. And if you want more help on part A, I can make another video. But again, we can set this one up, and I know I said I was going to do part B, but now I'm carried away, is we have the tangent of our angle, 48, over 1, my slope ratio, set it equal to the rise over the run. Well, x is my rise, so x over 15, same kind of thing, cross multiply and solve. Okay, hopefully the video is helpful, trying to keep it nice and short and sweet here. Any additional questions, please reach out and ask.